Hello, hello Aquarius Collective, Sun, Moon, and Rising. Ako po si James. Kamusta po kayong lahat? And welcome po sa James Tarot PH. Diretso na po tayo sa inyong bonus reading for the rest of 2025. So tungkol po ito sa July to December 2025 bago po tayo pumasok sa 2026. So Aquarius, tulad ng kagawian, kunin mo lang yung mga karasirit kaha and leave the rest. Yung pong iba impormasyon ay para po sa ibang Aquarius yun, kaya relax ka lang. Enjoy our reading for today and use your intuition para makuha mo yung akmang messages na kalob sa'yo ng iyong spirit guide sa ating reading for today. Thank you again Aquarius for not skipping the ads po, saka po sa mga donations niyo. Thank you again every time na meron po tayong reading for Aquarius dito po sa ating channel. Thank you for your generosity, kindness, and your support dito po sa James Tarot PH. So thank you again for not skipping the ads. So Aquarius, ano naghihintay sa inyo ngayong July to December and the rest of 2025? Inhale and exhale. At the center of your reading, you have the Eight of Pentacles. Beautiful. In the area of what you want, you have the Seven of Pentacles. In the area of what you need, you have the Knight of Pentacles. Puro kaperahan to, about your work, about your passion and goals this time. In the area of what's affecting your current energy, you have the Nine of Wands. In the area of your near future, you have the Justice card. Yes, wow, beautiful. In the area of your challenge this July to December, you have the Six of Swords. In the area of your fortune, meron kang Queen of Pentacles. Beautiful. Kaperahan, resources, money, being busy with a lot of things, blessings in your life. Congratulations. In the area of your divine advice, meron kang the Hanged Man. At ang outcome mo this time Aquarius from July to December, pag-usapan natin later. Ano kaya yan? Sabay-sabay natin bubuksan later on. But first, bago natin buksan, bago natin basahin every detail mode sa bawat cards mo dito, ano muna yung lingering energy mo in your background, mga potential bagay na kailangan mong buhisiin, panghawakan, or energy talagang lingering sa buhay mo from July to December. You have, wow, the World card. Yes, accomplishment, success, closing a chapter in your life. Ngayon, parang you are about to enter a brand new era ng buhay mo Aquarius. Meron ka mga bagay na sisimulan, meron ka mga bagay na tatapusin. Okay? Nakita ko dito na you're gonna realize things na parang hindi na gumagana, hindi na go-workout Parang ngayon, sobrang pagod, sobrang kayod, o kaya may mga something na dapat talagang iwan o dapat nang tapusin because it's not working anymore. Okay? So ngayon nakita ko dito na you're gonna end a chapter in your life, meron kang tatapusin na. Some of you now is desiring of a closure. Baka sa inyo merong magtatapos na kontrata for June, kaya ngayon July to December ay magkakaroon ka ng mga bagay na bagong pag-asa, bagong buhay, bagong environment, bagong places siguro. So meron sa inyo na may paggalaw, may pag-abante, may pag-andar. Okay? Nag-require si the World card ng tapang in your part, Aquarius, to really embrace something new. Parang ito ay out with the old, in ka with a bagong chapter ng buhay mo kung saan yung mga bagay na natutunan mo sa past, pwede mo pa rin dalhin this time, pero a lesson na lang siya. Hindi na siya yung parang it affects your day-to-day work or day-to-day decisions. Parang magiging tentpole na lang siya, pero somehow hindi siya yung parang ganoon ulit ang gagawin mo. It's time for you to acquire new things. Bagong bagay, bagong adventure, bagong experience. Kaya nga, the World also is a card of travel. Meron sa inyo palipad ng ibang bansa o palipad ng ibang lugar or transferring from one job to the other, one place to the other because nandoon ang swerte. I'm hearing the changes na gagawin mo this time around will lead you to a better place. Okay? Nandoon yung totoong swerte mo. Nandoon yung totoong frequency of money mo sa pupuntahan mo this time. So sa mga may balak dyan na mag-travel from July to December, this is the right time for you to do that because nasa background mo si the World. The world is yours. The world is your oyster. Pwede mong gawin ang mga bagay na gusto mo in the fulfillment and success na gusto mo ma-achieve sa life mo. Okay? So now, very, very big ang energy of closing a chapter, Aquarius. May mga bagay ka doon na kailangan ng i-reconcile to yourself and accept that it's done, tapos na yon, part na ng past. Kung merong mga dapat buhisiin pa o dapat ayusin pa, you have to really tell yourself, wala na, tapos na, okay na ako. I have to accept that, na okay na pala. Ngayon bago na, bagong buhay, bagong parang Aquarius, new level ka na. So now, embrace mo daw yung changes and always have the courage to close what's in the past, okay? So napakagandang World card as your background. Ito magdadala sa'yo papunta sa katapusan ng 2025. So now is really a time for you to learn more, have new adventure, new opportunity, new experiences. Okay? Sa pag-usapan natin ng yung spread, ilan ang yung major arcana? You only have 1, 2, and 3 major arcanas in your life. Namely, Justice, the Hanged Man, and the World card. Nakita ko dito na whatever you want to do, whatever na mga bagay na sisimulan mo, na parang bagong simula, leaving something behind kasi parang sobrang injustice, sobrang pain, sorrow, siguro parang feeling mo unfair naging trato sa'yo before. Ngayon, binibigyan ka ni Spirit Guides mo ng bagong simula, bagong pag-asa. Kailangan to ng malinaw na pag-iisip from you na kung ano yung mga bagay na pinagkait sa'yo before, kaya mo na siyang habulin this time. O kaya mo nang makuha yung mga bagay na parang feeling mo pinagkait sa'yo dati. Okay? This is the right time for you to make a balanced life. Now, parang new start, new beginning, new chances, kaya lawakan mo daw ang isip mo, magkaroon ka ng bagong perspective daw sa mga bagong tatahakin. Like I've said kanina, parang yung mga nangyari sa past, hindi mo na siya dapat dalhin sa present mo. Parang uulitin mo lang yung nangyari. So in order for you to have a new life, balanced life, you have to be enlightened with your path moving forward. Kailangan malinaw sa iyo yung gagawin mo. Bagong approach, bagong atake. Okay? So that things will be successful, things will be your milestone in life. Para ngayon, this time, I'm hearing, para magtagumpay ka naman this time. Okay? Kailangan mo baguhin yung mga approach mo dati, yung mga pinakait sa'yo, yung mga unfair before. Kailangan maging enlightened ka doon. Parang, bakit nga ba? Bakit nga ba? So, ngayon kailangan malinaw na sa isip. May light bulb moment ka na parang, okay, nangyari yun before, hindi na siya mangyayari ngayon. Kasi bago na yung atake ko, bago na yung approach ko, para magtagumpay ka naman this time. Okay? So, pag-usapan natin ang iyong bawat card in detail mode. At your center, in your core energy, you have this 8 of Pentacles. At your heart of your spread, ibig sabihin, ito talaga yung marubdob na parte ng enerhiya mo from July to December, working. You're working on a lot of things. Medyo busy ka this time, Aquarius. So, nakita ko dito na meron kang iiwan ng trabaho. Whether or not matatapos na yung kontrata mo dyan, or you now thinking of leveling up, bagong buhay, kasi feeling mo baka toxic yung workplace, o baka na-realize mo hindi na ako nag-grow dito, o kaya maraming mga competitive masyado na katrabaho, na very toxic na yung competition, and you can't breathe na. So parang feeling mo now is the right time for you to move out and get out of there and chase new things, better life na talagang swak sa'yo, talagang perfect fit for you, na doon ka mag-grow at doon mag-excel yung skills, yung talent, yung pinag-aralan, o kaya parang feeling mo doon magiging safe ka, no, sa bagong trabahong yun, sa bagong lugar na yun. Kaya may handa kang iwan, handa kang i-close yung chapter na yun para this time around mag-succeed ka naman. Yun narinig ko parang this time naman magwagi ka, ganyan. So, it really is time for winning for you. Okay, July to December is time for winning. Winning in life because may iwanan ka na talaga Parang, alam mo doon, walang pag-asenso walang pag-andar, walang pag-angat. So ngayon, you're working on figuring out, parang figure out mo ngayon, paano ko iiwanan to? Saan ako pupunta? What is the next step in your new chapter, in your new cycle? You have to figure that out. Kasi Aquarius, hindi pwedeng iiwanan mo lang basta-basta yung old chapter and then wala kang plano for the next. Baka maulit lang din yung nangyari before. So make sure malinaw sa'yo yung wina-workout mo this time. Sa kalilipat, ano yung new place, what's a better place for you, maganda ba dun, maayos ba dun, better ba yun sa iniwan mo, baka pareho lang din, so why transfer, diba? So kailangan may leveling up. You have to figure that out ngayon pa lang. Okay, Aquarius? The 8 of Pentacles being clarified by the Ace of Swords. Yes. Alam mo, to ako pag tama yung clarification card ko mismo doon sa main cards natin. Ace of Swords, all about clarity of the mind. Clear communication, clear plan for you. So, dapat daw talaga malinaw sa isip mo. Yung lilipatan mo, yung gagawin mo. Paano mo to aatakihin? Paano mo to gagawin? Kung, if you're willing to close a chapter, if you're willing to leave something in your past behind because you don't know na kung nag-grow ka pa ba doon? Very toxic na siguro, or you feel like na-exhaust mo na lahat ng skills and talent mo doon, parang time na for growth. So ngayon, parang sabi ni Spirit Guides, kailangan malinaw sa'yo yung atake mo, yung gagawin mo after, because you can't just think for now and then bukas blanco ka na. So make sure everything is clear, everything is planned out for you, by you, para alam mo yung gagawin mo sa bagong era ng life mo, okay? So in the area of what you want, you have the 7 of Pentacles. 7 of Pentacles talaga, inaano mo na, tinitimbang mo na, kinaklarify mo na. You are now questioning then Parang, teka, sobrang hirap dito, sobrang pagod, overtime ako lagi, pero ang liit ang sweldo, nauwi ako gabi na, wala na akong time for my family, worth it ba talaga to? So, now kung ano man yung endeavor mo this time, Aquarius, really thinking hard, worth it ba lahat ng pinagpapaguran ko sa bagay na to without the deserve kong outcome or without the deserve kong result or the deserve kong income, ganyan. So, parang feeling mo, hindi pantay o hindi balance, like I've said dito, hindi balance yung effort mo sa resultang nakukuha mo. Parang, ito na yun, parang, bakit ito lang? Ganyan. So now you're questioning kung ano ba yung nilalaan mo sa isang bagay. Worth it ba yun moving forward? O dapat ko na itong bitawan because nothing is happening here. No? So ngayon parang kailangan mo isipin yung future mo. And sayang kasi yung potential mo, Aquarius, if you're just wasting it here on something that is not growing, on something that is not gonna matter to you for the next 2 years. Baka nagiging alipin ka lang sa trabaho na yan pero walang reward o walang magandang bunga, hindi ka naman aangat o hindi ka naman mapopromote. Something that you really need to work out on is your growth. Mag-grow ka pa dito parang, teka, kailangan ko na siguro lumipat, kailangan ko na siguro magbago, kailangan ko na siguro hanapin sa iba yung mga bagay na pilit kong hinahanap dito na hindi nagka-come up. No? Make sure you're thinking about that this time. Okay, the Seven of Pentacles being clarified by the Queen of Pentacles. Yes, dalawang lumabas, si Queen of Pentacles here. It's all about your money, it's all about your wealth, it's all about your resources. Nakita ko dito na parang yes, naubos mo na lahat ng resources mo. Pagod, time, expertise, your mind, your experiences, your effort, and also your energy, lahat binuhos mo na dito. And parang feeling mo, hindi tumatapat hindi bumabalik hindi nagre-reflect do sa kaperahan mo yung nilalaan mo dito. Parang you're working so hard for this job and then yung sweldo mo parang kaya ko bang kitain na mas malaki pa dito? Parang hindi na enough hindi ka na rin masaya sa mga development o sa mga nangyayari. Kaya parang you want to chase something better kung saan mas mayabong siguro, mas malaki ang sweldo, mas maayos ang boss, mas mabait yung mga coworkers o kaya mas maayos yung transportation time. Yung parang gusto mo umaluan at magkaroon ng enough endeavor na masasabi mo sa sarili mo, worth it ito. Kahit anong pagod, kahit anong puyat, worth it naman ito kasi maganda yung reflection sa sweldo mo, okay naman yung job, hindi sumasakit ang ulo mo, your mental health is okay, everything is working out. So kahit parang kahit minsan pinanghawakan mo to, parang now is the right time for you to really think hard kung worth it pa ba o pipiliin ko na lang tong bagay na much better for me. Okay? In the area of what you need, you have this Knight of Pentacles. Yes, now may nabubuo na sa isip at puso mo, Aquarius, of whether or not staying or letting go. Ano? Ngayon, parang iniisip mo pa lang yung clarity sa mind mo. Kung saan pupunta, anong gagawin, where to go, kung aalis man ako dito, saan ang much better place. Kung i-close ko na itong chapter na to, may closure na, ano yung next big step ko na successful ako this time. And not, hindi yung parang nag-iba lang ako ng lugar pero same old lang, di ba? So sabi ni Knight of Pentacles, clear plan. Pagplanuhan mo muna, don't rush yourself, okay? Don't rush yourself. Kailangan to mabusisi, meticulous planning in your part. I'm hearing magtanong-tanong ka daw, have some advices from expert, pwedeng katrabaho mo na pinagkakatiwalaan mo na hindi kayo chismis ha, o kaya boss mo na talagang close kayo and okay sa kanya, magtanong ka ng do you think I'm growing here? Do you think I need to leave? Kasi parang there's no growth here, nahihirapan na ako, ganyan. Also, you can also ask your family members, mga pinagkakatiwalaan mong friends, na parang, ito yung dilemma ko, parang nahihirapan ako sa work ko, parang walang nangyayari. O kaya sa endeavor, sa love life mo din, pwedeng ganyan, na parang feeling mo, time na to go out time na to leave this relationship, hindi na nag-grow. So parang sabi ni Spirit Guides, in order for you to really close a chapter and start anew, you have to make up a tangible, clear plan. Okay? Kailangan yung plan na doable, Aquarius. Be practical daw this time. Okay? Dapat doable yung plan. Kayang-kaya mong gawin right after you close something para makapagsimula ka kaagad. Hindi kayong parang magsasayang ng oras na hayahay ka sa bahay o parang feeling mo you're not doing anything na valuable and nag-matter sa'yo. Kaya kailangan pagplanuhan mo munang mabuti. Magtanong-tanong ka and timbangin mo muna so that you have a very concrete plan na magagawa mo for the next 4 months, for the next 5 months, for the next year, especially from July to December ito. Kaya pagplanuhan mo munang siyang mabuti. Okay? Kailangan malinaw siya muna sa'yo para kung ginagawa mo na yung plano, hindi ka ma-confuse o hindi ka ma-lost doon sa ginagawa mo because konkreto naman yung plano mo, okay? The Knight of Pentacles being clarified by na King of Swords. Yes, kailangan talaga maging matalino ka daw this time because a King of Swords is the King of Intelligence, okay? Kailangan maging strategic ka daw. Kailangan alam mo yung bawat bosisi mo, alam mo yung bawat pasikot-sikot so that kapag nagkaroon ng aberya, nagkaroon ng roadblocks, mabibigyan mo agad ng remedyo. Mabibigyan mo agad ng pantapal para alam mo agad yung gagawin. Hindi ka mahasayangan ng oras, hindi ka rin ma-overwhelm, at lalong hindi ka makapag-isip kapag na-overwhelm ka o pag natakot ka o pag napatras ka because there are problems ahead, no? So parang sabi ni Spirit Guides, be smart, be strategic, and always take action. Especially, magkambal sila, yung plano mo dapat may kaakibat na action, okay? Hindi pwedeng plano lang at hindi pwedeng puro action lang nang walang plano, okay? Your plan needs to have an action na paninindigan because King of Swords all about accountability. Talagang gagawin niya. Susugod niya, i-execute niya yung plano niya because alam niyang tama yun at yun ang kanyang place moving forward, okay? Ma-achieve mo ang success if you have a concrete plan and you have action na kaakibat nito. Success is yours kapag nagawa mo yun. Okay? In the area of what's affecting your current energy, you have the Nine of Wands. Nine of Wands telling you, don't give up. Okay? Don't give up. Especially sa mga bagong sisimulan, sa mga bagong isasara. Ito yung panahon ng adjustment in your part. Siyempre, from transferring from one place to the other, one job to the other, one endeavor to the other. Kailangan talaga ng adjustment in your part. And adjustment, hindi ito ganun agad-agad, di ba? Kailangan patagal ito, sinatsaga mo to, naiintindihan mo kung gaano kahaba yung proseso. Marami ka ng pinanggalingan, Aquarius. Marami ka nang nangyari sa'yo in the past. You have experienced a lot. So, I'm very, very confident na kakayanin mo to. You're a very, very deep person eh. Very innovative ka rin. Very progressive. So, alam ko na yung gaano hirap, gaano kapagod, gaano gapang, o kaya gaano ka-hopeless minsan. Alam ko na kinabukasan babangon ka ulit at gagawin mo ulit because you know very malalim kang tao, Aquarius. I know in your part na hindi kayong uri ng taong bigla-bigla na lang mag-give up. And you will fight for this. Especially on the changes for the betterment of your life, of your career, of your money matters. Kaya pagkatsagaan mo siya. Yun ang kailangan mo this time. Pagkatsaga, paglaban, pag-iisip ng paraan at malinaw na pag-iisip para alam mo yung gagawin mo next time. Okay? The Nine of Wands being clarified by the Lover's card. Yes. Mahal mo to Gusto mo, takpan ko lang si ate girl Mahal mo to Gusto mo to The Lover's all about the things, people, situation, career, any choices that you love. Okay? So, kung mahal mo, huwag mo sukuan. Okay? Lalo kung trabaho yan, kung pangarap mo yan. Huwag mo sukuan. Especially if you're thinking about your children, thinking about your career goals, thinking yung mga 10 years from now, para sa family mo, para sa mga anak mo. So, bakit ka susuko? Okay? Ilaban mo yan because that is something that you will love. Okay? Ilaban mo, huwag mo sukuan. In the area of your near future, you have the Justice card. Yes, lahat ng pinagkait sa'yo, babalik na. Lahat ng mga feeling mo unfair before, na wala kang nagawa because yun ang batas nila yun ang ginagawa nila outnumbered ako so parang wala akong bosses before o kaya wala kang magawa para iangat ang sarili mo, para i-defend ang sarili mo. Ngayon nakita ko na lahat ng pinagkait sa'yo, babalik na. This is like reaping what you have sown. Parang ito ay good karma, harvest time to for you, Aquarius, no? So parang nakita ko dito na kung ano yung mga ginawa mo before, yung consequences, eto na. Good karma ito for you. And nakita ko na parang malalaman mo na yung secret of life, the truth about your life. Na parang, okay, ito pala yung bigay sa akin ni God. Ito pala yung bunga ng mga pinagkait sa akin before. Buti pala, nagtiwala lang ako. Buti pala, ito yung ginawa ko. Because naging clear sa mind mo na dapat palang pagdaanan yun because the success is here for me in the near future. Everything is balanced in your life, okay? Sa parteng yun, may trabaho ka, may sarili ka for yourself, may family ka, masaya ka sa mga ginagawa mo, balance ang buhay mo. Hindi ka ganun nag-struggle, hindi mo nakakaligtaan bigyang atensyon lahat ng aspeto sa buhay mo because balance ang lahat. Lahat sila nabibigyan mo ng atensyon at oras and time and effort. So nakita ko dito na you're gonna be on a very, very peaceful life in the near future where everything is something na talagang bunga ng mga experiences mo in the past. Alam mo na yung gagawin parang wais ka na in the near future. Parang, hindi ko yung gagawin because napagdaanan ko na yan. Lalayo na ako dyan because napagdaanan ko na yan. Hindi na ako babalik dyan. So, now, napakatalino mo na because you know the truth of your life. Alam mo na yung katotohanan sa buhay mo. Yung purpose sa life mo. Alam mo na yun. Kaya, every step, every hakbang, pinag-iisipan mo muna na parang, kung gagawin ko pala to, ano kaya mangyayari? kung ito pala hakbang ko, baka ganito mangyari sa akin, wag na lang, wag na lang. So ngayon, every action, iniisip mo agad yung consequences, which is good because naging matalino ka sa bawat action mo. Alam mo na may domino effect ang mangyayari kapag nag-action ka na basta-basta. You're very, very wise. You are now thinking first before you take action, before you take a move. So ngayon, napakagandang estado sa'yo in the near future, okay? The Justice cards being clarified by the Wheel of Fortune. Wow, napakaswerte. We have the Wheel of Fortune and the World here in your near future. Napakaganda. Lahat ng pinakait nga sa'yo, mapangahawakan mo na this time. The world is your oyster and the Wheel of Fortune is here telling you na napakaswerte mo in the near future. Nasa sa'yo yung kapalaran, giving you the leeway or giving you the hands na parang, oh, gawin mo na yung gagawin mo. Gawin mo na yung gusto mo because parang pinakait sa'yo before yan, diba? So ngayon magagawa mo na siya at nasa sa'yo yung kapalaran in the near future. Getting that new house, getting that new contracts because Justice card is also about a card of energy of contract. Parang meron ka nang sisimulan na bagong trabaho. Kung mga legal na bagay, Aquarius, nakita ko dito na matatapos na yung legal na aspeto sa buhay mo at magkatagumpay ka sa aspetong yan. Okay? Legal things, documents, anything that requires the law, talagang mako-close mo na yung chapter na yan at mag-success ka dyan. And everything is working out in your favor with the Wheel of Fortune here. So congratulations. Kung bala ko magtayo ng negosyo, bala ko magtayo ng magkaroon ng bagong trabaho, kung meron ka mang sisimulan na parang suntok sa buwan, yan. Nakita ko rito na you have what it takes. The fortune is yours and the world is yours telling you na magka-succeed ka dyan sa bagay na yan. So congratulations. In the area of your challenge this time from July to December, you have the Six of Swords. Challenge sa'yo yung pag-move on. Okay? Like I've said, meron kang bagong sisimulan, meron kang dapat tapusin, magiging challenge sa'yo yung transition. Okay? Yung adjustment. Because syempre may mga bago kang dapat gawin, marami kang dapat ayusin, marami kang dapat ibilin, marami kang dapat iwanan, marami kang dapat hindi pa para tapos to, kailangan tapusin muna. So, very, very confused ka, very, very busy. Kaya parang nahihirapan ka sa transition mo na yon. Okay? Kung meron kang iwan ng trabaho, lilipat ka. Ngayon, panghawakan mo yung era na yan, yung moment na yan na parang nasa gitna ka ng confusion and clarity, chaos and order, ganyan. So, panghawakan mo lang daw muna yun. Move ka lang. Para kang ilog, let it go, let it flow. Daanan mo lang siya at papunta ka naman na sa calmer waters mo eh. Kaya lang ang challenge sa'yo yung daan doon. Baka ma-confuse ka masyado o kaya baka mainip ka o mainis ka, baka bigla kang mag-detour o mag-iba ka na naman ng plano. So, make sure na daanan mo lang. Don't take confusion as parang hindi na-accomplish yung plano mo. No, kapag na-confuse ka, okay lang yan because dumadaan ka sa pagbabago. At kapag merong hirap, huwag mo isipin na hindi ka nagka-succeed o fail agad. Huwag mo isipin yon. It's just a part of the travel. Part lang yan ng journey, part lang yan ng adventure. So daanan mo lang siya and you will reach naman the calmer waters. You're just in the transition this July to December, okay? The Six of Swords being clarified by the Knight of Swords. Yes, ngayon, laban lang, sugod lang. Huwag ka masyadong mag-isip masyado. Yan ang nakita ko with the Knight of Swords. Si Knight of Swords, sugod lang siya ng sugod. Di siya masyadong nag-iisip. Di siya masyadong nagpapakalunod sa drama o nagpapakalunod sa problema. Laban lang, sugod lang. Whatever you want to do, gawin mo. Patungo ka naman sa calmer waters. Yun ang mahalaga. Patungo ka lang sa katiwasayan, sa order ng life mo. Kaya from chaos to order, sugod lang, laban lang, and let things go, let things flow. Okay? In the area of your fortune, this July to December, fortune sa'yo, may darating sa'yong swerte this time. Pera or new opportunity, baka may mag-aalok sa'yo na bagong trabaho, bagong negosyo, bagong pagkakakitaan. For some, baka may magbayad na ng utang this time. From July to December, magagamit mo yan panimula sa mga bagay na gusto mong simulan. Maaring magulat ka na lang biglang may nagbayad. O kaya yung pinsan mo, pahiramin ka ng pera. O kaya yung someone from your former boss, bigla kang alokin, uy, may opening doon, baka pwede ka mag-apply. So, may blessing talaga mag-land sa lap mo. This is something unexpected ha, Aquarius. Something na parang, ito na, biglang dumating sa life mo. Hindi mo to inaasahan, hindi mo to masyadong tinrabaho, hindi mo to masyadong pinagsumikapan because talagang blessing sa'yo to, kaloob sa'yo ni God. And I'm hearing you're gonna love this. Parang swak na swak sa'yo to. I-accept mo to ng open arms at magagamit mo to pampalago sa mga bagay na meron sa buhay mo. You will enjoy it. You will use that. You will use this in your advantage at nakita ko na mapapakinabangan mo to at mapapalago mo to in your life. So, lalaki ang iyong kapirahan this time. Congratulations. Queen of Pentacles is being clarified by the Ten of Cups. Yes, happiness. Nakita ko talaga na itong blessing na darating, may extend mo yan for your family. makakabili ng ganitong property, mapaaral mo na, mapalipat mo na sa ibang school yung mga anak mo, yung sustento, mabibigay mo na mas malaki, yung bills, mababayaran mo na on time, kung meron kang pinapagawang bahay, makapagawa mo na, you're gonna be very, very happy for you and your family. Nakita ko dito na itong darating na bagong blessing, magagamit mo siya for its advantage para sa buong pamilya mo. Talagang mapipigaan mo to at ma-extend mo pa for your family. Congratulations. Extreme happiness, harmony, and peace for your family. Congratulations. In the area of your divine advice, you have the Hanged Man here. Si Hanged Man, sabi niya, kung may mga bagay doon na hindi malinaw, hindi ka sure, natatakot ka, o parang ito yung solusyon mo pero bakit parang hindi umuubra, maraming roadblocks, maraming delay. Sabi ng Spirit Guides, hanapin mo yung ibang perspective. Okay? Tulad niya, nakabaliktad siya. Kumapit siya sa Tree of Knowledge. Pinulupot niya yung sarili niya doon, tapos bumaliktad siya. Doon nagkaroon siya ng kalinawan. Okay? Ibig sabihin nun, symbolismo niya, kapag hindi mo naiintindihan yung isang bagay at nakafocus ka sa isang solusyon pero hindi siya umuubra, hanapan mo na ibang perspektibo, ibang POV. At doon, bigla-bigla ka may enlighten. Parang, okay, ito lang pala yung dapat kong gawin. Meron pa palang option A, option B, option C. Pwede pala yun, applicable pala yun. So, ganoon daw ang gawin mo. Kapag may kinakaharap ka laging problema, maglaan ka ng iba't ibang option, iba't ibang plans, okay? Para mabusisi mo, meron kang agad pantapal para mahanap mo yung right endeavor or right solution sa iyong mga problema, okay? Huwag ka agad susuko kapag may problema. Huwag ka agad susuko kapag hindi umubra. Find new ways, new opportunities, and new solutions, okay? The Hanged Man is being clarified by the Queen of Wands. Yes, like I've said, kapag nagkaroon ng problema, kapag halimbawa, hindi mo alam ang gagawin, hindi mo alam kung parang stuck ka na naramdaman ko yan, parang stuck ka na, tapos hindi mo alam yung solusyon, walang tumutulong, hindi mo na alam tuloy, parang na stagnant ka na dyan, nakabitin ka na. Sabi ni Spirit Guides, huwag mo hayaan na bumaba yung iyong energy, bumaba ang iyong trust sa sarili mo, sa skills mo, sa knowledge mo. Kakayanin mo daw to. You have the enough skills, you have the confidence, yan. Kapag confident ka sa gagawin mo, kayang-kaya mo solusyonan yan. Huwag ka makinig sa outside noise. Huwag ka makinig sa mga taong dinadown ka o kinikip ka from achieving your full potential. Huwag kang papapigil. The world is yours here eh. Magkasucceed ka daw eh. Kaya naman, ilaban mo yan, have the confidence and believe in yourself na magagawa mo to, malalagpasan mo yan. Okay? Aquarius, napakagandang payo sa iyo ng Spirit Guides mo. Your confidence will get you through out of that problems. Okay? Ang outcome mo napakaganda. Pag-usapan natin later, ano kaya yan? Ano kayang outcome yan? But first, magkaroon muna tayo ng additional messages from the Divine. Ano yung additional payo nila sa'yo na makakatulong sa'yo from July to December of 2025, patulay ng 2026. Okay? First, you have funnel, period of frustration, lessons to be learned. Yes, marami kang frustrations, marami kang pagdadaan na parang bakit ganito, bakit ganyan, bakit hindi umaandar, anong gagawin ko. So, okay lang daw yan, daanan mo lang. Meron kang mga dapat daw matutunan dyan kung bakit ka na-frustrate. Like I've said, kailangan mo hanapan ng ibang perspektibo, baka malaman mo at malaman at mahanap mo yung tamang daan palabas dyan para hindi ka na ma-frustrate, okay? Another message, you have fair woman, dealings a relationship with a woman with blonde, gray, or white hair. Baka lola mo to o babaeng mistisa sa buhay mo, pwedeng white hair or white complexion na kailangan mo daw kausapin. Kailangan mo daw asikasuhin siya. Baka meron kayong concern na dapat ayusin between the two of you, okay? Another message of feather, someone you know is undependable and insincere. Pero ka daw tao sa paligid mo na hindi mapagkakatiwalaan at hindi maaasahan. So, may mga bagay talaga na ikaw mismo ang kikilos at wag mo iasa sa taong yan, okay? Another message of fire, strong emotion, passionate, love or hate. Ito yon with the as a night of something kanina. Parang sabi doon, kailangan maging passionate ka doon, ilaban mo, sugod, wag susuko, and use your passion and love for something para makatuloy ka sa mga bagay na gusto mong gawin. Okay? Another message, you have Cain. Pay attention to your health. Ngayon, Aquarius, yung kalusugan mo daw, kailangan mong pagtuunan ng pansin. Especially magpapasok ka sa new era of your life, kailangan talaga ay pagtuunan mo ng pansin ng iyong kalusugan. Okay? Another message from your divine, from your spirit guides, you have wind chimes, peace and harmony. Yes, meron kang peace and harmony this time. Kaya naman, ikaw ay magkaroon na ng katiwasayan. Relax ka lang. Enjoy things. Okay? Another message, you have 3, affairs with your family. Yes, pamilya mo daw, kailangan mong asikasuhin. Especially here, may mga magandang mangyayari, kaperahan, and resources for your family. Kaya huwag ka na mag-worry. Meron ka ng pambayad ng bills. Meron ka ng pambayad sa mga tuition ng anak mo para sa mga responsibility mo para sa kanila. Magiging happy na daw kayo. Congratulations. Another message, wealth. Yes, wealth for the family. Congratulations. Another message, you have May. O may wealth ka daw by May? Or importante po ba sa inyo ang buwan ng Mayo? There is a confirmation that a milestone will happen for you in the month of May. Okay? Another message, you have Rooster, an arrogant, boastful person you should not cross. O meron daw tao sa paligid mo, mga mayabang or mataas ang ego na tao na hindi mo na kailangang i-cross. O kapag nandyan at may ginagawang kaululan o kaya pag kinakalaban ka medyo mayabang sila, ikaw na umiwas, okay? Parang iwas komplikasyon, iwas gulo, okay? Ito ang mga mensahe pa, dagdagan natin na makakatulong sa iyo as your tent pole or guidepost sa buhay mo from July to December na pwede mong gamitin bilang gabay, bilang paalala sa'yo para magkaroon ka ng mas matiwasay at talaga namang success ka from the rest of 2025. Okay? The first, you have imagination. I embrace and nourish the creative aspect of my mind. So ngayon, maging malawak daw ang imahinasyon mo, especially sa pagpasok ng mga bagong bagay. In your work, in your expertise, kailangan talaga patalasin mo daw ang iyong isip, magkaroon ka ng a wild imagination, creativity, para mahanap mo yung mga right path and right ways sa mga gagawin mo. Another message, trust. I accept that my inner voice will always guide me correctly. Pagkatiwalaan mo daw yung intuition, ang skills mo, like I've said here, with the Queen of Wands, pagkatiwalaan mo, magkaroon ka ng self-confidence, self-esteem, pagkatiwalaan mo skills mo, okay? Another message, you have change. I understand that nothing can grow or evolve without movement. Yes, may pagbabago talaga since papasok ka sa bagong era na life mo, pero ka nang i-close sa chapter, so talagang panahon to ng pagbabago and change in your life. So tatlong bagay daw ang kailangan mong alalahanin this July to December: imagination, malawak na pag-iisip; trust, pagkatiwalaan mo lang ang sarili mo, yung journey mo, si God at ang skills mo; change, everything is changing for the better, kaya yakapin mo. And walang growth kapag walang change. Don't be too comfortable in your comfort zone, okay? Yung outcome pag-usapan natin, ano kaya ito? 1, 2, 3, you have, wow, 8 of Wands. 8 of Wands is a quick action. May mabilis na mangyayari sa'yo. In December, papasok ng 2026. Success is yours. Good news after good news after good news. I'm seeing you landing on a better job, better place. Kung meron ka mang inaasikaso ngayon, makikita mo sa bago matapos ang taon, magkakaroon na ng magandang bunga yan. Because 8 of Wands is really a card of right direction, right path para sa'yo. Dadaling ka daw ni God sa mas maayos at magandang direction sa buhay mo na talagang destined for you. Kung meron ka mangyayakapin na new job, makikita mo sa December, papasok ang 2026, marirealize mo na parang, okay, ito pala yung para sa akin. Mas maaluwan yung trabaho, mas maganda yung place, mas mababait yung co-workers, kayang-kaya kong gawin yung work. Kung ito man ililipat ka ng bagong bahay, makikita mo na mas maayos yun. So, you're gonna realize and recognize na nasa tamang landas pala ako. Bigay sa akin to ni God. So, good news after good news after good news. Focusing on the endeavor na talaga namang magbibigay sa'yo ng success. So, congratulations. Time talaga to for winning para sa'yo. Congratulations. The 8 of Wands being clarified by the 7 of Cups. Yes. Like I've said, good news after good news after good news, because doors are opening up for you. Doors of success, doors of new opportunity, doors na talaga namang matitimbang mo, kaya ko ba to? Kaya ko ba yun? So parang ang gandang problema because hindi mo alam kung alin dyan ang papasokin mo, alin dyan ang uunahin mo. Talagang nakita ko dito na yung bagong papasokin mong mundo, bagong trabaho, bagong endeavor, new opportunity, talagang parang nagbubukas yung mundo sa'yo. Parang ang lawak-lawak pala ng mundo. Pwede kong tahakin yung mga bagay na gusto ko. At kung ano man ang magiging desisyon mo na unang pintong pupuntahan mo o desisyon mong unang ways na gagawin mo, yun ang tamang path, okay? Yun ang tamang direksyon, yun ang tamang daan para sa'yo. So congratulations Aquarius. Time for winning, time for new opportunities, time for your new era. Wow, this is your July to December reading for the rest of your 2025. Saan po kayo nakaresonate, saan po kayo nakarelate Aquarius? Comment down below and I'll be reading your messages. Thank you again for watching hanggang dulo Aquarius. This has been James for James Ario PH. God bless everybody.